Hi, viewers. Good morning. Today, Deccan Chronicle newspaper headlines. Thursday, 24th June 2021. July 1st, schools reopening. Not final. TS informs HC High Court. HC seeks info on TS Delta Plus fight plan. Next, ED transfers 40%. Loot of Malia chokes it to banks. ORR to Sparkle with 13,000 LEDs. HMDA to spend 100 crores in 136-kilometer road. Nirav losses first stages of UK's extortion play. Anjani, 90% cops vaccinated. Jammu and Kashmir leaders in Delhi for PM's meeting on today. India shall start mega war game. Next, classified. This is totally jobs business. Light at end of tunnel for school bag makers. Traders were affected badly since March last year. Badly. MMTS services resume. Sees 30% footfalls. Third wave impact on kids shown to court. Need motivation to get vaccinated. Two agencies bag. Prestigious project. Next, cops arrest 28-year-old Ghana national for possessing cocaine. I nodal officer for 10 harpand kids. Next, healthcare workers recall days of agony. Studies reveal 50% medical workers suffer from anxiety. Coping mechanisms need of our say experts. Next, state witnessing slow decline in COVID cases. Gouts COVID-19 dates not feasible, say PBT hospitals. Drug fraud 23 years old arrested. COVID vax stop vanished locals left in the lurch. Gout to stop to get old salary in June. Technical glitch in software update delay new salaries. 11th day, Bhonalu pit begins. Alumni for revamp of Usmania Hospital pledge say their pleas have not been heard since 10 years. Police rescue person who poisoned self. Lockdown effect. Delivery man barber held for theft. Astrologer largest fake complaint does not see own arrest coming. TV show state funds helped Amas health. Heavy rains in Vizag, many areas flooded. Vehicular traffic blocked at several areas of the port city. CPI Maoist state sees dies of cardiac arrest. Here, see this picture. Action shot against errant cops. TPCC Chief N. Uttam Kumar Reddy submits a memorandum to DGP Mahendra Reddy in Hyderabad on Wednesday demanding strict action against policemen allegedly responsible for the death of Dalit woman Mariamma. Next, Vizag will emerge IT above AP, says Jagan. AP CM Jagan Mohan Reddy. Aruna 6 closure of RDS right canal. TRS Gout is neglecting irrigation works. Bhatti. CLP leader Mallu Bhatti Vikramarka accused TRS government of not paying any heed even though opposition parties and engineering experts have alerted to about the irrigation projects being taken up by neighboring Andhra Pradesh. Speaking to media at the Assembly Media Point on Wednesday, he pointed out that AP government issued GO to lift 3 times of water from Rayalaseema Sangameshwara lift irrigation scheme and 80,000 cusecs by increasing the capacity of Potireddipadu head regulator. Further around 11 TMC of water will be shifted daily soon. Through the Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao always says he would protect the interests of Telangana state. In practice, he preferred taking care of only his family interests. The Congress leader remarked demanding open debate on AP projects. Next. Cops offer to save Maoist from Corona. Remembering party founder BJP State President Bandi Sanjay Kumar pays floral tributes to Dr. Shyam Prasad Mukherjee on the occasion of Balidan Divas in Hyderabad on Wednesday. New authority takes over TTD. Govt buys time choose new board chairman. Deccan Chronicle articles 24 June 2021. Piece of jobs hard to sustain as third wave threat gets real. Modi's new architecture for Govt may hurt India. Later school reopening. Ayurveda doctors vaccine hesitancy. India's grave concern over US arms to Pakistan. Is Cold War 2.0 certain between China and West? Next. Kinap lift mishap wisdom gets 20 L. 20 lakhs. West Bengal Speaker complains to Birla against Dhankar. Security UP in Valley, Jammu and Kashmir leaders meet Modi today. High alert has been sounded at least for next 2 days along the LOC. Rahul may appear before Gujarat court. BJP received 276.45 crores from electoral trusts in 2019-20 ADR. Complaint filed against Assam ex-NRC chief Chautala to be freed from Tihar jail. Gogoi asks women to file cases against CM. Yogi may not rig his team. The BJP is in poll mode and has rigged his state's unit. Yogi Adityanath. Punjab crisis support grows for Amarinder. Prashant meets Sharad Pawar third time in 15 days. India-US kick-off mega war game in Indian Ocean. TMC MP gets COVID shot at fake vaccination center. Bursts rocket. Mimi Chakraborty. Ramdev movies essay against fights by IMA. Pledged to undertake train journey to visit UP. Next. 3 dead, 20 hurt in major blast outside office. Saidis house. Cops suspect and of hostile intelligence agencies behind blast. Next. HKS appeal daily to close by Saturday. Sarkozy faces jail term in financing trial. Air strikes in Ethiopia market kill over 80. China wants India ties talks delinked. Delta variant threat to US. Fauci new universal vax to help prevent future pandemics. World power give new push for Libya peace. Europe seeks disabled more women in space. No escape from heat in future, says in report. US takes first step to curb big tech. Nirav loses first stage extradition plea. Jamset is world biggest philanthropist. Norms for voice-based players. Liberalized BPO sector gets an epic boost. Next. Infosys 9,200 crore share buyback to open on 25th. Cabinet OK's extension of Gharib Kalyan ration. CCI probes Google demo number IT security app up to 2.5 lakhs deposit by Housewaves. Suraksha wins JP Infra voting. Housing sales nearly double yo-yo but down sequentially. PSP get part money from attached assets. Tempo stopping sales through FY21 without a dip in hiring. GDR purging SEBI bar Sterling Bio directors from MKT. Yes, African brothers vanished with 3.6 billion Bitcoin. Household debt GDP ratio has been rising since March 2019. Household financial saving moderate. This is Deccan Chronicle newspaper main headlines. Thank you.